Now I'm counting my blessings.
Absolutely, absolutely superb. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
So,
Due to paucity of time, we have, we'll just take 2 questions. Please ask short ones. Thank you.
May I ask all the young Indians not to ask any questions from Ms. Deepa, but to ask ourselves, our perceptions towards life. Please.
thank you.
That's what I want to say.
But I would still love a question. I'll feel as if you've heard me. Yeah? Now in men you would have been my choice, Uday.
Sorry?
If I had to take a man here today who was wonderfully dressed and turned out, you would have been my choice. And I have named him the question man, you know, a Superman, an Iron Man, and so. But yeah, you second that, and you know, when you get a man, Superman or a Spider-Man, that means you're good at it. Please don't take me otherwise. His questions, I've been hearing him for the last 5 sessions, he's been very relevant, and so I'm really looking forward to this question.
Deepa, first and foremost, I'm totally moved.
Thank you.
In this last 1.5 days, I've never been more inspired, touched, and moved. And totally lost for words.
Thank you so much.
Totally lost for words. And you've been counting blessings. I've been counting blessings every single second since the face-off with you this morning, and a bit of face-off with you yesterday in the afternoon. And thank you so much for those nice words. What I really want to ask you is, aside and besides your very, very obvious achievements and overwhelming achievements for people who lead a normal life and who live a life of complaints, this is supernatural. And your zest for life, your love for life, and your love to contribute inside of what you underwent, not as sharing as a disability, but as a possibility for what is there for everybody. And that is phenomenally inspiring. My question to you is, your achievements are without any doubt supernatural. But what's your financial sustenance system?
Oh, I'm so happy you asked me this.
Financial sustenance system from the government, where every Tom, Dick, and Harry gets equalized and complimented as well as awarded for things which are not consequential, but which serve some other purpose. What is your financial sustenance system from government? And in spite of earning laurels for country and international level, how have you been lauded in terms of monetary support and monetary sustenance?
That's a beautiful question. And in fact, I'm grateful for this platform today because when I met Mr. Tulsi Raj and he asked me, he invited me here, and I read that Confederation of Indian Industries, it gave a spark of hope within me that maybe industries hear of me and invite me as a speaker. Taking to motivational speaking, as I said, I'm not a scholar. I never even knew I could do it. But friends like you advised and they gave me an opportunity. So the major sustenance started coming from there because 2010 when I moved from Ahmednagar to Delhi to play for the country, I had to close down my restaurant business indefinitely. And I've not been able to go back because Commonwealth led to Asian Games, Asian went to World Championship to World Games to Malaysian Open to another World Championship, and I'm again preparing for Asian Games. Yes, it is difficult. The government wakes up towards the last minute and some camps come up. I worked at the policies. Policies are in place now, but implementation is not. When the money started coming in, the federations got greedy and there was an infighting, and now the federation is in the court. So at the end of the day, first, policies were not there, we were on our own. When policies came in, federation is in the court, we are again on our own. So at the end of the day, the sufferer is me. Yes, I'm living out of a room, I'm a general's daughter-in-law, a colonel's wife. The best that I can afford is this size of place in South Delhi. I live under my own arrangements. I can't afford a driver, but fortunately I drive. I have to pay an attendant. I have to pay a physiotherapist. Every javelin which I use for a month for international class training costs me 65 to 70 grands. The supplements from Amway Nutrilite that I take cost me 8 grands a month. So yes, my expenses go up to something like 50 to 70 grands a month on an average. And nobody is asking me from where it is coming. some cash awards from the medals have come, so I'm recirculating that money. Haryana government has been kind to give, after a lot of fight, because there was no policy to give a 43-year-old a government job. Age did not permit, but I fought my way. Like I say, I ask questions, but they've given me a grade C, which gives me 21,000 rupees a month. My HRA is 2,500 rupees, and I'm supposed to be posted at Gurgaon. In 2,500 rupees, nobody will even give me their toilet to use, not to own, even to use. So yes, this is a very valid question. It is a sore point, but I, again, like yesterday Sangeeta ma'am said, infected with optimism. I have hope. And with this hope and considering this need, because a lot of people look at my pictures on FB and say, ma'am, we want to do the same. How do I tell them? I'm managing, I'm doing these funny things like doing rallying and flana and pushing my body and getting some sponsorship. I'm trying to reach out to corporates, no luck as yet, but motivational speaking has supported me a lot. And that is my mainstay, but that everybody can't do. So I have formed, I'm in process of forming Will on Wheels, a kind of a fund, raiser kind of a foundation, which will not only support my training, but I will also adopt a few more like me. That is my next option, because I am crying out aloud to corporates to support parasports, to support us. Even we are getting medals for the country.
Deepa, I'd like to turn this question into action point.
Yep.
I'd like to take this back to Why Hyderabad chapter and like to see what we as a chapter can do for this. I would need your support for that.
That I leave to you, because see, the finances are so much, the funding can be done, but yes, it should be rooted to the right people, to the right talent. And you really have to judge to who to give and how much to give and what to give. There was a lady. Can I take her question, please? I don't want to disappoint her. I'm sorry, but since she was already standing and wanting to ask a question, please, with you we end.
Ma'am, I mean, I basically just wanted to say, it's we are lucky enough to hear a lot of people, but this is like kind of numbed me, and I'm sure a lot of people. So I think what you've done is just incredible. I mean, there is no single word to describe what you've done and the way you speak. So, like I said, we feel so small and insignificant because,
I don't know, I came to inspire, that's what my resume here tells me, but I'm going back motivated. No. You've added more responsibility to my inspiration. Thank you so much.
But I wanted to ask you, on a very simple level, this positivity, did it just come like, you got up one day and you were like, okay, I'm a ray of sunshine, or, I mean, what is it? I mean, how did you get it?
Like I said yesterday, I'm a very talkative person, and I make a lot of conversation with the superpower there. And when I talk to him, you know what I say? Zindagi tumne yuddh banakar di to kya? Zindagi tumne yuddh banakar di to kya? Haar maan hathiyar dal dungi. मैं तो वीरांगना हूँ, डटकर लड़कर जीत का संग कर लूंगी. जिंदगी तुमने जहर बनाकर दी तो क्या? जिंदगी तुमने जहर बनाकर दी तो क्या? इसे प्राणों को हरने दूंगी. मैं तो मीरा हूँ, भक्ति की शक्ति से घुट भरकर बेअसर कर लूंगी. जिंदगी तुमने आग बनाकर दी तो क्या? जिंदगी तुमने आग बनाकर दी तो क्या? अपने सपनों को जलने दूंगी. मैं तो सोना हूँ, तप कर, जल कर, निखर कर, पुनः आंखों पे सजूंगी. जिंदगी तुमने लंगड़ी बनाकर दी तो क्या? जिंदगी तुमने लंगड़ी बनाकर दी तो क्या? इसे कुर्सी पर घिसटने दूंगी. मैं तो हिम्मत हूं, अपने दृढ़ निश्चय से पुनः बिन सहारे के चल दूंगी. थैंक यू डियर.
Fortunately for us, she's also willing to travel across the country. So any YI chapters wanting to host her, please connect with Tulsi Raj. And, I hope we'll get an opportunity, to interact with you all over the country. So thank you so much.